Welcome to 60 Seconds of Spice Wisdom. Today, we're unpacking the power of cumin seeds. Originating from the Mediterranean, these tiny treasures have been vital in global kitchens for centuries. Cumin seeds, brimming with antioxidants, can aid your body's natural defense systems. They're also known for their digestion-boosting properties, aiding in the breakdown of food and relieving symptoms of bloating or discomfort. If you're seeking a natural remedy for insomnia, cumin seeds might be your answer. Consumed with a banana at night, they can promote a good night's sleep. For those with diabetes, cumin seeds could be a game changer. Studies suggest that they can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them an excellent addition to a diabetic diet. And did you know cumin seeds can help combat the common cold? Packed with vitamin C and anti-inflammatory properties, they bolster your immune system and soothe sore throats. Incredible, isn't it? The humble cumin seed, small in size but mighty in benefits. Remember, a pinch of cumin can make a world of difference. Discover the power of spices and transform your health, one seed at a time. Until next time, keep spicing it up.